Hello, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Agatha, and on this channel we do hair tutorials. In this video today we are going to be recreating the thumbnail, the picture on the thumbnail that you saw before you clicked on this video, and I promise to serve you guys right. So we are using this big kinky instead of the small one, because this big kinky, I noticed that it's smoother, softer, and let's just say it's smoother. Okay, it's smoother. So we are going to be doing the regular hot water thing, but not too much this time around. We're just going to do it halfway, because if you noticed in that picture on the thumbnail, the tips are coily while the down is not. So come, let me lead you in the way. So because we are not going to be cutting this kinky into two, and you know kinky is already, it's bouncy and all of that, so separating it will be kind of difficult. So we are going to be cutting out the tips, those tips you are seeing, to reduce the tangle while we are separating the hair. Okay, you get the message? All right. So now, if you notice, I'm dipping the middle of the kinky in the hot water, just the middle. I'll not even do it too much. I'll not let it reach up a bit. So this is different from the regular one we used to do on this channel. So I'll just dip the middle. So guys, I'm going to be twisting like the normal tight twisting. That's what I'm going to do. That is what I'm going to do till I reach the end of her natural hair. So I really don't want to cut this kinky big. Remember what we are trying to achieve, the picture you saw on the thumbnail before you clicked on this video. So I'll twist tight to that place, the place her hair finishes, that is her natural hair. Then I'll start wrapping. I believe you know what I mean by wrapping, the normal natural hair twist style or kinky twist style. So you can see that I'm wrapping, but from the root to where her natural hair ended, I tight twisted. Sorry, like I said, I don't want to cut the kinky big, but you know, when natural hair is added to kinky, it always increases the volume. Now, to avoid that volume from coming up, that is why I have to tight twist the down part, so that no matter how big the hair is, it's going to be slim and it will add up to the down part of the kinky inside. So guys, you see that right there? You can see that it's exactly what was in the picture, the slim part. So when you pack it up, you are going to get exactly what's in that picture. You can see the down part the way it is, and that is what you saw in the picture. We are going to make another one more with detailed explanation. So twist the down part. I'll twist it tight, like I said before, to where her hair stops. Then we'll start twisting fluffily, the normal natural hair twist. So guys, this is the progress of the video. I believe with those two I made at the back, I gave a very detailed explanation. So the purpose of this hair, or the style of this hair, is that the down should be smooth, such that, you know, when you make the regular fluffy twist from the root, and when you pack it, you're not going to get a smooth kind of packing. But when you make it tight and you get the smooth kind of packing, it's going to give the ponytail end. Like the finishing will be like a ponytail. When you pack your hair, the hands will be fluffy and the down will be very, very flat and smooth. Okay guys, you can see how it is now. The tips are fluffy, the downs are smooth. Okay, when you pack it, you get that picture on the thumbnail. I'm explaining this because I lost the finishing of this hair, and I spent 7 hours making this hair, not because this person is a client, but for the purpose of this tutorial, and I can't just let those 7 hours go to waste. So here is my apology for not including the finished look, because I lost the footage. Like my video, I will upload a finished another tutorial of this same type with a finished look, and trust me, you are going to love it. So guys, thank you for watching. Can you see that hair from here? I wish we get to see the finished look, but nevertheless we will see it in another video. Thank you, and